So it's the location of the white space plus 1. And if you use the other programming languages, you might be screaming right now. Because that's because if the index is outside the string in any other language, bad things might happen. But this is not the case for JavaScript. So the thing... So this is the thing. So you see it dropped the first one, the first part. But if we give it something ridiculous like 1024, it will just return an empty string. And it won't crash with an out-of-bounds error, which is something you would expect from most programming language. But this is JavaScript, so I don't have to check anything here. So then I get the command. And this thing should be fed. Let's just make a note for myself. So the string starts with the command that we want, and then the parameters. And the way they solve this in the Twitch example is that they just split it on spaces. And when you split the string, you get a list of strings back. And they're using absolute indexing to get the individual parts. So they made this entire switch case. That's just documenting all of their functions. Which honestly isn't a bad idea. So maybe I should do something similar. So their return value is either an object with the command and channel attribute, or in case for this capability command, it's a boolean for capabilities of an F. It's a boolean saying if the capabilities were granted or not. I guess there you'd say it's granted. So yeah, so maybe let's just split it on. So let's see, the only thing I'm listening for right now is 001, which it's when you authenticate successfully, the IRC server responds with 001, which is, I guess, is a welcome message, or everything is okay message. Yeah, let's just do... Yeah, let's just do exactly what they're doing. I don't know how... I don't know how they got ping to be included. Because ping... If you get the ping, it starts with ping without anything in front of ping. So that's weird. I don't know how they did that. How did they do that? Are they just ignoring? Oh, right. So if the message doesn't start with the colon, which is the case for ping, then this index will never be updated. So it will still be pointing towards the very start of the string. And then there's some out of bound check. Right, so what's the case for my see if I wanted to, yes, so they can extract the source that way. So for my case, if it doesn't start with the colon, then the command is just the message string, I guess. Right? And now we're defining command twice. So we should really be doing something like they're doing in the Twitch example, which is defining an object. They're defining this object. So let's define. Hey, good morning, Afano. I'm trying to move the parse message function into its own separate external function. And it's looking more and more like the example from Twitch. Maybe that's a good thing, I don't know. It's a thing I wrote on stream. It's just it's a thing I wrote myself. So we wrote this on stream earlier. So the past streams has just been us writing overlays for the stream. I was super lazy and just used their parsers and added types or types and removed the Java annotation. I mean, it works. So, and it's, I mean, the more I read their parser, the less I can think of a better way to do it. Yeah, so the to-do list is just something we wrote on stream. And it's kind of scuffed, to be honest. It's using the local storage. I don't know if you're familiar with the local storage. the local storage it behaves like a hash map or key value pair. So you can store things in the memory of the browser and then you can access it. So the only issue with using it is that the page has to be hosted on something.